Have you ever sent money through Paysend and found yourself wondering, where did my money go? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive deep into the process of getting your hard-earned cash back from Paysend. Paysend, like any other financial service, can occasionally experience hiccups. Whether it's a technical glitch, a delayed transfer, or a complete loss of funds, knowing how to navigate these situations is crucial. The basics: understanding Paysend refunds. Common reasons for refunds. We'll discuss the most frequent scenarios that lead to refunds, such as incorrect recipient details, technical failures, and fraudulent activity. Refund policies and timeframes. Clarify Paysend's official refund policies and the typical processing times. Step-by-step guide: how to request a refund. Contact Paysend support, explain the issue in detail, and provide necessary documentation, e.g., transaction IDs, proof of payment. Gather evidence. Discuss the importance of collecting evidence to support your claim, such as screenshots, emails, or bank statements. Follow up. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, outline strategies for follow-up, including escalating the issue to higher-level support. Troubleshooting common refund issues. Delayed transfers. Address concerns about transfers that seem to be taking longer than expected. Technical glitches. Provide tips on how to identify and report technical problems that may have caused the refund. Fraudulent activity. Discuss steps to take if you suspect fraudulent activity on your Paysend account. What to do if your refund is denied. Understand the reasons. Explore potential reasons for a denied refund and how to address them. Dispute the decision. Explain the process for disputing a refund denial, including contacting your financial institution or relevant regulatory bodies. Tips for preventing future refund issues. Double-check details. Emphasize the importance of verifying recipient information before sending funds. Use secure connections. Advise viewers to always use secure internet connections when accessing their Paysend account. Monitor account activity. Encourage regular monitoring of account activity to detect any unusual transactions. Real-life examples and testimonials. Share success stories. Highlight instances where viewers have successfully obtained refunds from Paysend. Address concerns. Acknowledge common concerns and provide solutions based on real-world experiences. Recap key points. Summarize the main steps involved in requesting a refund from Paysend. Offer encouragement. Reassure viewers that even in challenging situations, it's possible to resolve refund issues. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their experiences in the comments section and subscribe for more financial advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember that even in the digital age, your financial well-being is important. Stay informed, stay safe, and don't hesitate to seek help when needed.